Get to sleep.
You can have your double clock back, Cookie. Hey, Mickey, you must accidentally mailed this to me, so I should get it back to you right away. Now, you better get some shut-eye, because you got to pick me up at 6 a.m. and take me to the airport. I'll just send you down under.
Wake up in the morning. Go to the airport.